In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm receipt on PayPal, step by step. We'll walk through this on a computer, but the process is very similar on mobile too. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official PayPal website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. If you're on a shared device, it's a good idea to log in privately and sign out when you're done, just to keep your information secure. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page and click Activity. This is your central hub for everything that's happened on your account. You'll see a timeline of transactions, including payments you've sent, payments you've received, and any refunds. If you have a lot of activity, you can scroll through the list or use the search and filters to narrow things down by date, amount, or keyword, whatever helps you quickly spot the right payment. Next, find the transaction you want to confirm. This is usually a purchase you made where the seller might be waiting for confirmation that you received the item or service. Click that transaction to open its details. Here, you'll get a clearer view of what the payment was for, the date, the amount, and the status. Now look for the blue Confirm Receipt button. This button appears for eligible buyer transactions, typically after the seller has marked an item as shipped or delivered. When you confirm receipt, you're telling PayPal that everything arrived as expected. This can also help release any temporary hold on the payment to the seller more quickly. Click Confirm Receipt to complete the process. You may be asked to confirm one more time. Go ahead and approve it. After that, you should see the transaction status update to reflect that you've confirmed. Keep in mind, once you confirm, it's generally final, so only do this after you've actually received the item or service in good condition. A quick but important note: if you see refund this payment instead of confirm receipt, it means you're looking at the transaction as the seller, not the buyer. Only buyers have access to the confirm receipt button, and sellers won't be able to use it on their end. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully confirmed a receipt on PayPal. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear, step-by-step PayPal tips and tutorials.